Hey, Russ Whitney here. Welcome to my gym, ladies, gentlemen, and children of all ages. This is where I do TRED Talks, and you know, if you're watching this video, why am I here putting out this kind of information or sharing it with you? 2 years ago, I decided this. You know, I've made plenty of money, business is going well. I decided to focus on two things that were most important to me. One was investment and business. I just love investment and business, and you know, this is a talk for another day, but it was never about the money for me. It was about showing all those people who said I was nobody and nothing that I could be somebody. That's what drove me. And you know what? If you educate yourself, you listen to stuff like this, you go to trainings, you feed your mind, you do the business correctly or the investing correctly, educate yourself, and the money comes automatically. It's a solid law of the universe. So let me read this. Bob Benter. Hey, Bob. Bob used to speak for us years ago, trainer. Russ Whitney built the largest, most successful seminar company in America. Okay, Bob, nice comment. This is true. Gregory Woodle, gotta love these first-time flippers in HGTV. Showed them how easy it is. LMAO. I guess that means laugh my butt off. Is that should be LMBO. They almost always fail, and then the house ends up cheaper for me to buy in the end. That's an interesting comment. You know, HGTV, nothing wrong with it. You know what I mean? I applaud them. It's a network TV show. They've been around for 50 years, I read in the paper the other day. And they're great entertainment. They don't have anything to do with how to invest in real estate in real life. Here's where you learn how to do that. In fact, go to russwhitney.com and take a look at the projects page. There's also some video training series on that website. Go check it out. Opt in.